Improving your English skills. Tips for beginners. Good morning, afternoon, evening, listeners. Welcome to today's broadcast. If you're just beginning your English learning journey, you're in the right place. This program is designed to help you improve your English skills through some easy-to-follow tips, practice exercises, and useful vocabulary. Whether you're learning English for travel, work, or personal growth, improving your language skills opens many doors. And today we'll show you how to make the most of your learning process. Tip 1. Start with the basics. The first step in learning any language is understanding the basics. In English, this means learning the alphabet, the sounds of letters, and the basic structure of words. For example, did you know that the letter C can sound like an S or like a K? The word city has an S sound, but the word cat has a hard K sound. This is something you can practice by repeating words out loud. Listen carefully to how native speakers say them and try to imitate the sounds. Tip 2. Focus on pronunciation. Pronunciation is a very important aspect of learning English. Even if you know many words, if you don't pronounce them correctly, it can be hard for others to understand you. Start by listening to how native speakers pronounce words and phrases. You can find online videos, podcasts, or even language apps to hear these examples. Practice by repeating what you hear. Also, pay attention to word stress. For instance, in the word banana, the stress is on the second syllable, banana. In contrast, the word record has stress on the first syllable, record, when it's used as a noun, but it has stress on the second syllable, record, when it's used as a verb. Tip 3. Learn vocabulary in context. Instead of memorizing long lists of words, try to learn vocabulary by using it in sentences. This helps you understand how words fit together and how they are used in real conversations. For example, instead of just learning the word apple, try to use it in a sentence like, I eat an apple every morning for breakfast. This way, you're not only learning the word, but you're also learning how to use it correctly in context. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel to use new words. Tip 4. Practice listening and speaking. One of the most important skills in learning English is listening. Try listening to English content every day. This could be podcasts, TV shows, movies, or even YouTube videos. Start with content that is designed for learners, and as your skills improve, challenge yourself with more complex material. Listening helps you hear how words and sentences flow, and it also improves your vocabulary. In addition to listening, it's important to practice speaking. Don't worry about making mistakes. Speaking is a skill that improves with practice. Try to repeat sentences you hear in TV shows or songs. You can also practice by speaking with a language partner, joining language exchange groups, or using language apps. The key is to speak as much as you can. Tip 5. Read in English. Reading is another great way to improve your English skills. Start with simple books or articles designed for learners. If you don't understand every word, don't worry. Focus on the overall meaning and try to guess the meaning of unfamiliar words from context. As you improve, try reading more complex materials, such as news articles, short stories, or even novels. Reading will expand your vocabulary and help you understand sentence structures. Tip 6. Write regularly. Writing is a skill that many learners of English find challenging, but with practice, it gets easier. Try to write in English every day. You can start by writing simple sentences or short paragraphs about your day. Keep a journal, write a blog post, or send emails in English. This will help you practice sentence structure, grammar, and vocabulary. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve. Tip 7. Use technology to your advantage. In today's world, there are many apps and websites that can help you improve your English skills. Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise are just a few examples of apps that offer interactive language learning. These tools can help you practice vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Some apps also offer live conversations with native speakers, which is a great way to practice speaking. Additionally, you can watch English language YouTube channels that teach language skills. There are many resources online that are free or low cost. Tip 8. Be patient and consistent. Language learning takes time, so be patient with yourself. It's normal to feel frustrated or overwhelmed at times, but remember that improvement comes with consistency. Set small, achievable goals, such as learning 5 new words a day or watching one English language video each week. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep practicing. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in your language skills. In today's broadcast, we've covered some important tips to help you improve your English skills. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and with patience, dedication, and practice, you will see progress. Start with the basics, practice pronunciation, and build your vocabulary and context. Don't forget to listen, speak, read, and write in English every day. Use technology to help you, and most importantly, stay consistent. You are on the right path to mastering English, and with time, you'll feel more confident in using the language.